So if you are an oily to combination girly, or you'll be in the sun, because we want to be outside into the summer, right? Then get all the things that I just listed, and I hope I put it onto the screen. Oh, no, but I know the Chantal. Hello, loves. I am coming from a wedding and I'm very, very tired, but I had to show you guys what my makeup looks after 7 hours of being in the Jamaican sun, open air, and then on the tent. And the girls sweat. I can insert a picture of what my hair looks like. I'm sweat it out. And I didn't dance or anything. Just no so Jamaica at now. Me not see that I'm under robe. You understand? I'm going to show you guys what I used to achieve this look. I only tapped around the edges because that's where I was sweating. But never tap the rest of my face. I think probably me use my hand 2 times because it when I itch me a little bit, like just so. Like what me I do. Besides that, nothing. 7 hours in a Jamaican heat and the makeup and I'm done sitting with you hungry. You understand? So I could get into the meat of the matter because I'm really tired. It's really. So, what's in my bag? So, if it is that you're an oily girl, you'll be in the summer heat, you want your makeup to sit on your face and last. You understand me? This is what you're going to use. Now, regardless if you are a oily or combination skin girly, especially if you're a dry skin girly, you have to make sure you moisturize before you put on your makeup. You have to have a good skincare routine underneath all of this for it to work. So I use a simple moisturizer, and after I wash my face clean, use a simple moisturizer. What make me use my hand them so much? I don't know. I have to do something with it to cast it on. And then I use a facial oil a little bit before I put on this. So the first thing I use, the first makeup product that I use is this. You're not supposed to know me. Danessa sponsors me. Please. Your girl. I love this. This is my second one because I stopped wearing makeup for a while. But this is the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm. But let me get it the first time with Lowlighter technology. This is in the shade 9. This is what it looks like. This one is a little bit smoother than the one I had before. I don't know. I really like it. So I apply that evenly and I touch up. I think I put it on a little bit heavier than I put it on a little bit heavier than I normally would, seeing that I have some dark marks, which you're probably not seeing. I want to have no blurring nothing on this. You understand? I want to see what you see there. One of them has some more. I'll put it on it. Yeah? So this Yummy Skin Blurring Balm, I did not use any lies. Yeah, I'm a primer. So I actually use this. I spray my brush with this first. I learned this from Jackie Aina or Samoa. I learned that from her. So I spray it on the brush, then I dip it into this and apply it to my face. Dry it down. Cause I paint with face to it. And then when I apply that, I use a layer of this. This is Bombard. I don't know I'm to my words. This is the e.l.f. Power Grip. Like your front or for me. As Ari would have said, let's say, I'll take out that. It grip! Right. Then I actually used a Fenty matchstick. So I've done something from it and I don't know if it goes still. Well, it expire, but it don't expire until it's done. You're not done yet. I use that to contour. I don't normally do a harsh contour. And I like it kind of blend. Is it smooth? Right, this one. Then I use a setting spray after that. I try to do a setting spray after each application. I didn't do it after that. But going with this. Under my ear, so. But that is not the sauce. Yes? Under the sauce, that's. Yes, this now. Yes, one size When the comments, when you notice I have bull for me, cause when I do the makeup as often as I should, because I really love makeup and I wanted this to be a makeup channel. Anyway, moving on. This is almost done, to be honest, because I've been using it. I use it under here. So when that sit down, my baby, when it sit down, I'm not telling you something, you have to make sure say your concealer dry it down, because anyway, if it decides that you want to sleep, go here, so before you put in this and this, so it stay, it don't move. Baby, it don't move. None at all. It ain't going nowhere. So make sure you say your concealer sit down. Yeah, girl. This is what I use my highlighter. I wanted to use the blush, but I didn't remember. No, I thought this was blush. I didn't remember it is a highlighter and a blush into ones. Or something, I don't know. It's Yummy Skin Unbothered. Something for your shirts. I'm Danessa Myricks again from the city. This is my first time using it. And see, it has the same oxalate technology, so it soaks up all the moisture that you would have had. After that now, I must still spray with the Health, even though this is a dewing setting spray, because I have combination skin, but the time out, the one of the moisture out of my skin and soak out. You understand? And then I know say, when I start sweat too, make it get greasy. Yeah? It seemed like me I contradict myself, but no, don't worry about that. Use this. Contour your nose on them something. See it so? You can see it? You see it? You see it? Oh no, my face like black. You see it? Right there so. But do my eyebrow with $1 and $1.03 one Walmart pencil. That and then the last thing the Chantal do. You see this Danessa Myricks spray again. So I recently learned that it really acts like a powder. So when you put it on, it's a Yummy Skin Liquid Burning Balm. Oh no, system I love the one. You know, system I love the Danessa Myricks does. Spray this on 2 times. I go, yeah. I spray it on. I'm not gonna lie. I use the hell out of my setting sprays. Yeah. See there, 7 hours, baby. Blur. Sit down. Sweat. I never need for reapply. I never need for touch up. I should show you guys my lip combo. For my lip combo, I can do it real quick for you guys. But this time I'm gonna do it in one short. I'm not gonna have no time for that. Not to no lie. So, I want to I'm gonna do, and I do a very simple, cute lip combo. This was not the liner that I use, but I may have right now. So, yeah. Wanna see the lip gloss I used a while ago? The light, I didn't know, see it. Wanna see me so good. So this is the Fenty cream in Fenty Glow. So see there, Fenty cream, Fenty Glow. You put it on a screen. And then this is Anastasia, Beverly Hills. This one is in soft pink. I never yet know the name of something. I'm gonna have to see with me. But probably put it on the screen, wanna remind me. And then, in the middle, girl. Mix the mackerel with the dumpling, girl. I just want to sleep, you know. I come like that, look, pick me up, fight sleep. See? Well, I think I did the line a little bit harsher. Not harsh, but, you know, kind of way. Oh, there. Right there, so. See there? Hey, that was the, oh. You see that? I love me. Like, nude works well with me. Less is more when it comes on to makeup and Chantal, and that is what I have to learn over the years that I've been doing makeup. You understand? Then my lashes are a wispy classic set. They are 2 weeks now. And I have on brown eyeliner on my waterline. And up on top I saw the little bit of wing. Oh no, I see it a little bit of fly off. It probably sweat off. Come sweat today now. When I say I sweat, and I am so surprised that when I got home and saw my face, it is like this. This is my real face. Cause I'm not telling you, the curl them drop. The curl them drop. Watch ya. I don't know where they went there into the beginning again. For tell us, say, watch ya. Them drop, man. Them drop and them blow away. But the makeup did not work. It didn't move, baby. Alright, make one shot now. Thanks for watching, love. So, if you are an oily to combination girly, or you'll be in the sun, cause we want to be outside into the summer, right? Then all the things that I just showed you in my bag, I got this bag from Fenty when I purchased from them on Black Friday last year. Cutesy. I told you I never use it to chip off. But yeah. Then, get all the things that I just listed, and I hope I put it onto the screen. Oh, no, but I know the Chantal. Thanks for watching, love. Bye. Say me, I'll do my layers, and Jesus.